Rahim. Newton and limit. Isaac Newton was born on Christmas Day in 1642, the year of Galileo's death. When he entered Cambridge University in 1661, Newton didn't know much mathematics, but he learned quickly by reading Euclid in disguise and by attending the lectures of Isaac Barrow. Cambridge was closed because of plague in 1665 and 1666, and Newton returned home to reflect on what he had learned. Those 2 years were amazingly productive, for at the time he made 4 of his major discoveries. Number 1, his representation of function as sum of infinite series, including the binomial theorem. Number 2, his work on differential and integral calculus. Number 3, his laws of motion and law of universal gravitation. And number 4, his prism experiment on the nature of light and color. Because of a fear of controversy and criticism, he was reluctant to publish his discoveries, and it wasn't until 1687, at the urging of the astronomer Halley, that Newton published Principia Mathematica. In this work, the greatest scientific treatise ever written, Newton set forth his version of calculus and used it to investigate mechanics, fluid dynamics, and wave motion, and to explain the motion of planets and comets. The beginning of calculus are found in the calculations of areas of volumes by ancient Greek scholars such as Eudoxus and Archimedes, although aspects of the idea of a limit are implicit in their method of exhaustion. Eudoxus and Archimedes never explicitly formulated the concept of a limit. Likewise, mathematicians such as Cavalieri, Fermat, and Barrow, the immediate precursors of Newton and the development of calculus, did not actually use limits. It was Isaac Newton who was the first to talk explicitly about limits. He explained that the main idea behind limit is that quantities approach nearer than by any given difference. Newton stated that the limit was the basic concept in calculus, but it was left to later mathematicians like Cauchy to clarify his ideas about limits.